Greetings all, this is Subramanian Chandramoli, author of 4 sales book and a sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my 4th book, 108 sales question. And today we are discussing question number 3. And let me read out the question for you. I am allocating a specific time in a week to generate leads. Is that a good strategy? How much time I should allocate for lead generation in a week? This is the question. So the answer to this question is both yes and no. You allocating some time for lead generation is a good thing, okay? Because many people don't even spend time on lead generation, okay? So that is a good thing. Those specific time you can use for specific efforts like going to a weekly networking event or creating videos or podcast or blog. For all these activities, you can allocate the specific time. But at the same time, that is alone is not enough. You should be open to take leads what the world gives you. So for example, you are in an elevator in a hotel, in a 5-star hotel. Somebody is there, try to make a conversation. You are sitting in a flight when you are traveling, make a conversation. If you are traveling in a train, make a conversation. You never know who can be your prospective customer or who can connect you to a prospective customer. So the answer is, yeah, you allocating specific time is good. Use it for predetermined lead generation activities, but at the same time be open and have your open mind to generate leads. That way I always say lead generation is a way of life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you.